So YouTube, this is your boy Hellraiser underscore 6.4. If you're new, go ahead on and hit that sub button. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead on and tune in, hit that bell notification too, and comment. And let me know if you understand where I'm coming from. And let me know which one you'll choose and why. Tune in.
Oh my god. Yeah.
Y'all, so this video, as you already know, is why I chose to charge the Scatpack over the Camaro SS and the Mustang 5.0. So the reason why I chose the Charger over the Camaro SS and the Mustang 5.0 is because they're entirely too small. You know what I'm saying? They don't have no room. And like, I daily drive this car, and I don't, I know you can daily drive a Camaro and a Mustang, but I personally like space. Like, I have a wife, I'm in the Army, so I usually be having a lot of bags and shit I need to pack. And then the Mustang, you know what I'm saying, I feel like, or a Camaro, it won't really be that convenient to have, all that, shit in the trunk. Because you only have, the trunk, and you have the back seats, but you got to put the seat down. I don't feel like, coming to open the door. It's kind of dirty. Gotta clean my car. Then you gotta pull the damn seat down and shit. I'm not trying to do all that, you know what I'm saying? I just wanna open my damn door, you know what I'm saying? And bam, I got more seats, you know what I'm saying? So that's why I got the Charger. It's bigger. I've been in the Mustang before. I've been in the Camaro before. I've been, I've been in the 2019 5.0. And this is low. It's quick, it's a little quicker than a Scatpack because it's smaller. It's a little quicker. But it's just that the Charger is like the right package. I feel, you want speed and power. In space, this is the perfect combination right here. This is the perfect combination. You got 485 horsepower, 475 foot-pounds of torque, man. 392 cubic inches. This is a big-ass engine, bro. This is the biggest engine that Dodge has to offer. This is the 6.4. This is bigger than the Hellcat motor. The Hellcat motor is a 6.2 liter, but they have a supercharger on it, which gives it that 200 plus horsepower. So this is naturally aspirated, all motor, you know what I'm saying? It's my catch can I put on there. Watch my install video if y'all didn't see it. But the SS is nice, the SS is more of a track oriented car. And I like the Camaro. The two SS's, even the one SS look good. I like the Camaros. I like the new 10-speed SS 10-speed 5.0, but I'm more of a, I like big cars. You know what I'm saying? I had an Avenger at first, so coming out of Avenger to this is just golden, man. Like, Scatpack, and I want to eventually get a Hellcat one day, you know what I'm saying? But I'm just taking baby steps, and whatever works for you. Like, if you don't have no kids, just you and your boo or whoever you with, or just you and yourself, get the Mustang, get the Camaro. But I want space, you know what I'm saying? I want space. You can sit 5 passengers in a Scatpack. You can do that in a Camaro and a Mustang, but it's gonna be real uncomfortable because that car is small. Camaro in the 5.0, they weigh about 3,700 pounds. That's about 500 pounds less than this. 500 to 600 pounds less than this car. That's a big difference. That's why Camaros and Mustangs are a little quicker than these, because they smaller, it's the power to weight. So yeah, we have more horsepower than we have more horsepower than the 5.0 on the SS, but they also have less weight, giving them the upper edge. And they also have a better transmission, the 10-speed. So as you guys know, the Scatpack came out in 2015 with the ZF 8-speed transmission. The 5.0 did not get remodeled until 2018 with the 10-speed. So as the SS got the 10-speed in 2019. So they, obviously Chevy, Dodge, Ford, they compete against each other. It's competition. And the Scatpack still got the same damn 8-speed, you know what I'm saying? Now the Camaro and the SS is a little quicker now. I wouldn't necessarily say faster, because the top speed of a Mustang 5.0 is 155 miles per hour. 160, and I got 160 in the dash. It won't do over that until you unlock the PCM and tune it. Stock, this is faster than 5.0. quicker, 5.0 is quicker. Meaning it get off the line faster, get to its max speed faster than the Scatpack. It's heavy. Man, I'm telling you, you got a family, bro. You don't want to get no minivan or no Prius, get the Scatpack. You will not be disappointed. You gonna spend, you know what I'm saying? You got a family, you can still have fun in this car. You can still have fun with your family in this car. Versus a Mustang, I mean, who wanna put, nothing against people that put baby car seats in the back of a Mustang. Do what you gotta do with what you got. But that's kind of inconvenient and unsafe in my opinion. Say you have a car accident, right? God forbid it happen to any of y'all. But say you have a car accident and it's hard for you to get to your child in the back because you only got 2 doors. It's easy if you just open the damn door, you know what I'm saying? You can just bust a window and get back there. You got 2 doors, man. It's gonna be inconvenient to get back there. Same with the SS. But all my people that like racing and shit, you wanna race and do this and that and everything else, get the Camaro. That's track. You wanna have a quick drag car that's good for my dig, get the Mustang. Same the Camaro. But if you just want something that's big, it's powerful, it's fast, it can slide, got terrible traction, get the Scatpack. You will not be disappointed in this car, bro. I'm telling you. For what it is, stock, bro. It's you can get a Scatpack for less than $40,000. Mine bone stock. Sticker price is $42,000. Got navigation. This is a lot of car for the price you pay. This car can run with some cars that cost more than what it costs. It can run with some BMWs that cost more, some of them, not all of them. It can run with a lot of cars that cost more than what it is, man. I'm telling y'all. But that's why I got the Scatpack, got space and power, you know what I'm saying? So whatever you want to get is, you know, is your you know, your personal preference. You know what I'm saying? And this is my hood van. It is functional. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing on here cheap. Ain't nothing on here fake either. But yeah, man, just let me know what y'all think. If y'all enjoyed this video, y'all make sure y'all leave a sub. Tell me which one y'all want and why. Oh, same with the Challenger. This Challenger fall in the same category. It's just small. I like to have my room. You know what I'm saying? I'm a small guy, but I love to have my room, man. Love to be able to, if I want to go sleep in my back seat, I can go do that. You can't. It's gonna be hard in a Challenger, Camaro, or Mustang. But all 3 of the cars I list are nice cars, man. They real nice cars. I just washed this car and it got dirty again because it rained. Same day after I left the damn car wash, man. Look at the back of how dirty it is, man. That's why I'm in the garage, man. But it's my stripes that I got put on. Well, yeah, man. Y'all enjoyed this video, y'all make sure y'all leave a sub. Support the channel, man. I can't do it without y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what videos. So I know y'all want to see races and stuff. Check out to understand that shit illegal. So I gotta find a good spot to do it. If I can find like a road that's like a back road or some shit where other cars ain't there, and we'll get some runs in. Make sure y'all leave a sub. Your boy Hair Raising _6.4 is out. Catch y'all later.